Hi, I am Dr. Varsha Gupta. So today in this video we'll talk about chakras. There are so many chakras, major and minor, located in our body. The main function of the chakras are to maintain a balance in our body. Okay, so today we'll talk about the seven chakras in our body. So first we start with root chakra, the first chakra which is located at the base of the spine, also known as Muladhara. It is red in color, and if you what will happen if this chakra is blocked? So you will have so many fears. You will think a lot. Okay, there can be a issue regarding your security, like roti kapda makan bhi milega nahi milega. Then trusting issues. Then you will have issues related to your existence. Stress, depression will be the other disadvantages if your chakra is blocked. So how to cure it? Either you can say the word lamb, lam, 21 times in the morning and in the night. You can use red color things a lot, like your clothes. You can eat red color fruits and vegetables a lot, or you can use a crystal. uh, Red color crystal commonly used is red jasper. Okay, so this is all about root chakra. The second chakra is known as sacral chakra, also known as Swadhisthana. It is located just below the navel, around two fingers below the navel. It is orange in color. If this chakra is not balanced, then your creativity won't be that good. The sexual life, there will can be problem, either fertility and infertility problems, then PCOD problems in females. Then you won't be so much creative and happy in your life. Okay, how you can cure it? Either you can say the word vam 21 times in the morning and in the night, or you can use orange color a lot, like in your clothes, or you can eat orange color fruits and vegetables in your diet, or you can use a crystal known as carnelian orange color crystal. The third chakra is known as solar plexus chakra. It is located just above your navel in your stomach area. It is yellow in color. If your solar plexus chakra is not balanced, then you can have ego problem. Either people will use as a doormat, or you will be too egoistic. Depends. Then your confidence. Okay, you won't be that much confidence in your life, and your gastric problems, everything related to that area, the issue will arise. How you can cure it? Either you can say the word ram for 21 times in the morning, in the night. Same, you can use yellow color fruits, vegetable or clothes a lot, or you can use a yellow color crystal. Example, you can use tiger eye or pyrite or citrine, you can use it. Okay, it will help you to maintain the solar plexus chakra. The fourth chakra is known as heart chakra, ahantahata. It is located at the center of your chest. It is green in color. If your heart chakra is blocked, you will feel like no one loves you, or you will love a lot someone and in return you won't get it, or you won't be able to express your feelings about your love, like everything related to your heart, your relationship, even with yourself. You will feel very dull and very sad, I can say. How you can cure it? How you can balance your heart chakra? You can say the word vam, yam, 21 times in the morning or in the night. You can use green color a lot, either in your clothes or fruits or vegetables, or you can use a heart crystal, either pink color like rose quartz, or you can use green aventurine. Okay, so next chakra is the fifth chakra, which is known as throat chakra, also known as Visuddhi. It is located at your base of the throat. It is blue in color. If this chakra is imbalanced, then you will have, um, since it's located in the throat, thyroid issue can arise. You won't be able to express, and if you're not able to express, then automatically your heart chakra also becomes weak, and throat chakra will also be like you're not able to speak up for yourself. If you're not able to speak up, then again your solar plexus chakra, because your confidence will decrease. So how to maintain a balance with your throat chakra? You can use the word ham, HAM, 21 times in the morning, in the night. You can use blue color a lot, either in your clothes or in your diet. Okay, or you can use a blue color crystal like lapis lazuli. Okay, so the next chakra, the sixth chakra, is the third eye chakra, also known as ajna. It is located in your forehead, just above the area between your eyes. This, the color is indigo. So what will happen if your third eye chakra is weak? If your third eye chakra is weak, then your vision won't be too good. Okay, you will always be in a confusion state, and you won't able to plan for a long goal. Like you will always be saying what to do, like that. So how to balance your third eye chakra? You can use the word om, AUM, 21 times in the morning, in the night. You can use indigo colors in your diet or in your clothes, or you can use a crystal amethyst. Okay, so the next chakra is seventh chakra, also known as crown chakra, Sahasrara. It is located at the top of your head. It is violet in color. Now, if your crown chakra is normally not blocked, okay, because it's directly related to your higher self, but for many people it gets blocked. Might be because of the entrance of a negative entity, or because of too much of negativity around you. So, how you can maintain a balance? You can use the word OM 21 times in the morning, in the night. You can use violet color things either in your diet or in your clothes or in your surroundings, and you can use a crystal clear quartz because it's a master healer. Okay, so in short, I have told you about the seven chakras, how you can come to know which chakra is blocked, how to unblock that chakra, and everything. I think about the chakras, you have the information. If you have any doubts, if you want to know more in detail, in the description I will share you the Instagram and the Facebook handle. You can DM me. I will be in touch with you. If any other doubts, let me know. Have a nice day. Bye bye.